Hey everyone, tired of those extra Verizon surcharges? In this video, I'll show you smart ways to reduce or eliminate those fees and keep more money in your pocket. Let's get started. You generally cannot remove most Verizon surcharges as many are standard fees set by Verizon to cover regulatory cost, network maintenance and government program and are not optional or negotiable. Some surcharges, like activation or late payment fees, can be avoided by not activating new lines unnecessarily and paying your bill on time. Understand the surcharges. These surcharges are Verizon's way of recovering certain costs, such as regulatory fees, property taxes, and network maintenance expenses. They are not government imposed taxes. Most Verizon surcharges are mandatory fees that cover regulatory costs, network maintenance, and government programs. These fees are set by Verizon and external agencies, so they are generally not optional or negotiable. Review your detailed bill. Look at the breakdown of the Verizon wireless surcharges and other charges and credits section on your bill. This will show you the specific surcharges being applied, such as the regulatory charge, federal universal service charge, and administrative and telco recovery charge. If you have a service plan that combine multiple services and you receive a bill message called more on taxes and surcharges. To view bill, sign into My Verizon app, select account, go to select home, then bill, then view bill. Disable the Verizon App Manager. The Verizon App Manager can automatically install unwanted apps which may contribute to higher surcharges. Disabling this app can help prevent additional surcharges. To stop Verizon App Manager from downloading apps for Android, go to Settings, then navigate to Apps, find Verizon App Manager, select the Disable option at the bottom of the screen. For iOS, open Settings, go to App Store, Automatic Downloads, then go to Verizon Manager, then turn off. Avoid activation and late payment fees. Activation fees only activate new lines or devices when necessary to avoid extra charges. Late payment fees always pay your bills on time to prevent late fees from being added. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.